attorney at law Dr. Claude Denbow S.C. launched his book at the Hilton on Sunday, detailing his experience and practice over the past 5 decades in the profession. Titled After 50 Years in the Legal Profession, Mr. Denbow talks about his early childhood and progression in early schooling, which led him to having a keen interest in law. It also goes in depth into several landmark cases he worked on, along with several senior lawyers whom he looked up to. Speaking at the launch, Justice Ralston Nelson S.C. noted that Mr. Denbow did work on a plethora of cases throughout his career, including a major one where he provided the opportunity for the Caribbean Court of Justice to exercise its original jurisdiction for the first time.
For almost 2 years, there were no cases in the original jurisdiction. There were no precedents. In 2008, Claude Denbow launched a case, Trinidad Cement Limited and TCI Guyana Inc. against Guyana. The earth shook.
Mr. Denbow said he was molded into the legal profession at an early age, after having doubts about his getting into the medical field like his father.
As a little boy, maybe 6 or 8, I would knock around my father's surgery when he was extracting teeth, and I would see blood gushing. In those days, blood would gush from the patient's mouth. And I had developed a sense of revulsion about seeing blood. So there was no way I could be a medical person. And so my uncle said to me, "You're going to be a lawyer. You're going to do commercial, corporate, and tax work." At age 12. Your father. At age 12. And that was it.
Dr. Denbow also deals with 8 landmark cases in his book, in which he was lead counsel in the area of companies, insurance, pensions, as well as insurance and tax fraud, and also provided a human interest side of how those cases came to be initiated. Now,